Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. As you guys can see in the title, this video is going to focus on the new Mk7.5s. Carlos, I know you're watching. I apologize, I don't want to I wasn't planning on you and I getting these taillights at the same time, but it just happened. Anyway, so I ordered these off of BMP Tuning. They took about almost 2 weeks to get here. It's a little bit of a while. And but anyway, they were good at getting back to me and telling me what this thing was and what the deal is, so for the most part. And I saved a couple bucks buying it. It was like $450 or so. But anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop these suckers off, these old Euro Tails, and we're gonna put these new ones on. These are the replicas. I think BMP only sells the replicas, so. All right, and pointing at the box. Someone's doing something. But anyway, so yeah, these are the taillights, and I did not buy it with the harness. I just didn't think it was necessary. Because essentially from JR14's video, these are just plug and play. We'll find out, won't we? Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop the old ones off and show you guys a couple clips of it. I won't really talk through it because you guys probably know. Some other people have done installs, but anyway, we'll pop these off and we'll do like a little bit of a time lapse for some of them, and yeah, you guys will see them on, and I'll show the full function at the end. Alright, so this is my buddy Kirk. He's gonna be taking this inner light out. We have currently the outers all installed and they work, which is exciting. There's a little bit interesting getting them in, but as far as gap goes, they fit pretty darn good for replicas, not gonna lie. So I'm pretty stoked to get these inners and see the full function. So we have, this one's really easy to get at, this screw right here. And then we have one that's kind of snug. I don't know if I'm able to record that, but it's right here, this one. That's a pain in the neck because you don't want to lose it. As you guys can see here, the old Euro in this bright red. Very unsporty, wouldn't you say? And then we have the new taillight. Now the thing I question about this, and I love your guys' feedback, is a little bit of play, but honestly, I think a little bit of play is not gonna hurt, really. All right, and just like that, we have the new taillights on. Now the beauty about this is if you guys have done Euro Tails on the Mk7s and you've done the Shop DAP harness, and I don't know about the other harnesses, but if you've tried other harnesses before and you have it existing on your car, if you've had the dynamic turn signals, or not dynamic, but if you've had the amber turn signal function, it should just be a plug and play. And I also have the OBD11 code to have these function. I didn't do the code by hand. So yeah. These things fit pretty nicely, and I'm really excited. I'll show you guys some of the function, especially at night. And yeah, I like.